Salut, c'est Sinoche, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour l'épisode 4 voilà, du mode histoire de Red Dead Redemption. Donc j'avais jamais joué à ça, hein. Je découvre, c'est la millième fois que je le dis. Donc si ça peut nous aider à passer le temps, hein, pour attendre le jeu le plus reporté au monde, si vous voyez ce que je veux dire.
Nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more. I hope so, Dutch. You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it. And I ain't losing it now.
Bon, qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? Est-ce qu'on peut le changer? Est-ce qu'on fonce vers une mission ou on le change? J'ai envie qu'il enlève sa casquette. C'est qui là? C'est Dutch?
Oh, sorry, Dutch.
Contribuer. Il a combien? Il a vraiment 16 $, lui. Je commence à aimer le jeu. Au départ, je m'en foutais un peu. Mais je pense que c'est parce que j'étais pas vraiment impliquée dans l'histoire. Et là, je me surprends à être impatiente de jouer. Donc c'est bon signe parce qu'il n'y a rien de plus ennuyant que de se forcer à jouer à un jeu.
You're Arthur, right?
My name ain't no concern of yours.
I'm hungry.
I don't give a damn.
Look, you seem like a decent fella behind it all.
Then you ain't a good judge of character.
Yeah, well, we'll leave it there then.
Eh non, moi je m'en fous pas. Je vois un mec attaché, j'ai envie de l'aider, moi. Hein, c'est le gars que j'ai ramené là, qui se laissait se faire attacher là. Qui est-ce?
You okay, Abigail?
Ah, ça c'est Abigail.
Good.
Oula, elle a l'air de me fuir un peu, non? Qu'est-ce qu'elle regarde? Elle va se cogner, non? À un moment donné. Elle fait quoi, Abigail? Ok, elle prend un petit truc. Ok. Bon, on va pas les regarder tous un à un.
Leonard. Hosea.
J'ai envie de lui changer de look, mais je sais pas comment. Bon, on va faire cette mission.
Oh!
Careful not to work yourself to death there, Uncle.
I was thinking.
Yeah, does it pay well?
Oh, eventually.
So, while the rest of us are busy stealing, killing, lying, fighting to try to survive, you get to think all day.
Well, it's a strange world we live in, Arthur Morgan.
Do you want to head into town? See if we can find anything out?
Sure. I got some errands to run.
Great. Go check the horses are ready.
You gonna take the old man into town? Take us too?
Well, what you got planned?
Nothing. We'll find something for y'all to do. We always do.
We're bored out of our minds. Been cooped up here for 2 weeks now. Karen's about ready to murder Grimshaw.
Well, can Miss Grimshaw spare you?
Can Miss Grimshaw spare you? What's happened to you, Arthur? 3 young, healthy women want you to take them a robbing. You're worried about house chores. Let's go.
Fair enough. You got me. Come on then.
I can't believe we're going to see civilization. Feels like weeks since we did.
Yeah, Valentine. Very embodiment of civilization. You ladies are gonna love it.
Okay then, let's go.
All right. Out through the trees here, then take a left.
Ok, donc là ils vont en ville, si j'ai bien compris. J'ai beaucoup de mal à me concentrer sur ce jeu.
Ladies, that's a song.
Pas la peine de dire du gros mots. Hein.
Is one of you gonna get that fella's horse?
En vrai, je m'en fous de ce qui se passe, hein, honnêtement. Non, 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 je m'en fous, non. C'est pas mon problème là pour le coup.
Yes, but this won't take long. Look at the poor fella.
Why didn't you help that poor man?
Oh, lumbago. It's really serious. It can be deadly.
How about you, Arthur?
Do I look like I got the energy to waste on charity? That fool can get his own horse.
Attends,
I don't believe
comment
you're
on
quite that
recule?
cold, Mr. Morgan.
Oh, I'm cold.
Comment on recule?
I feel bad I didn't rob him.
Mais comment on fait? Je sais pas, mais je sais pas. Je ne sais pas. Sur une voiture, c'est très simple. Tu freines avec le...
Out through the trees here, then take a left.
C'est pas possible, j'ai pas recommencé ça 1 million de fois quand même. C'est quand même pas ce qu'il y a de plus dur. Comment on freine?
Ladies, that's a song.
Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Mais... Mais... Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Comment... Oh, ok, on freine avec le rang du coup. D'accord. Ok, ok, on freine avec le rang. Je savais pas. Il me semble qu'il y avait une petite... Ah, ok. Regardez-moi celui-là, il conduit n'importe comment. Non, 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 j'ai pas le temps.
Is one of you gonna get that fella's horse?
Oh, I got lumbago.
Non, rattraper son cheval, non. Non, 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 non.
Yeah. I thought you wanted to head into town.
Yes, but this won't take long. Look at the poor fella.
Why didn't you help that poor man?
Oh, lumbago. It's really serious. It can be
Il n'y avait
deadly.
pas un autre qui est passé là?
How about you, Arthur?
Do I look like I got the energy to waste on charity? That fool can get his own horse.
I don't believe you're quite that cold, Mr. Morgan.
Oh, I'm colder than you realize. I feel bad I didn't rob and kill the bastard.
Very inspiring, Arthur.
Woo! Smell those sheep.
Or is that Uncle?
Oh, very funny.
This looks like a decent little town.
Other people. Finally.
Look at all that snow on the mountains. Sure don't want to be back up there.
You think we should have asked Molly to come with us?
Go left here, down the main street. There's always on the right. Sure, you can pick up some bounties there, Arthur.
Heaven forbid you put your head on the line.
Yeah, that's a young man.
Qu'est-ce qui explique ce fort ralentissement?
We can get
Je
up to
comprends
some
pas là.
mischief
Il
here,
est
all
tout d'un
right.
coup
Just remember,
ralenti.
keep a low profile.
Mon pote,
Will you remember that, though, Arthur?
ça craint.
Probably not.
Let's park up down the end there, near the stables.
Okay then,
Oh, oh, oh,
partner.
oh. Mais non.
Hold still.
Mais stop. Il faut que je descende. Il faut qu'on descende ou pas?
All right.
Bon,
Here we are,
on
just
y
like
est.
I said.
Ok.
Cultural
Comment on
center of
descend?
civilization. Man at his finest.
Ah, le ciel est bleu, hein.
What are we doing?
Well, we're gonna do what any self-respecting maniac does. Put the women to
With pleasure. We'll start at the saloon.
On commence par le
Okay, just stay
salon.
out of trouble and don't get yourselves noticed.
Right, I need to get something from the stores.
Oh, on a
Okay,
dit
well,
on
we'll
se fait
see you
pas
at the general
remarquer, hein.
store when you're
Hein?
done.
Come on, ladies. Imagine
Vous avez
we're in
compris?
Paris.
Come on.
So that's how you see yourself, is it? A maniac?
Well, in my youth, I used to be known as the one-shot kid.
Okay. I'm not gonna ask why.
You are a sad man, Arthur Morgan. But I know you love me.
Desperately. You're my favorite parasite.
Bon, on rappelle quand même qu'Arthur a été
Ringworm's my favorite parasite. You're
blessé
my
par un
second
loup
favorite
au
parasite.
début du
Very
jeu.
funny.
I
Je sais
lied.
pas si ça aura
Ringworm,
un impact après
then
ou pas.
rats with the plague, then you.
Shut up. This is the place now. Come on. Morning.
So, what do you need?
Hell, a drop of whiskey for a start. You know, something to pass the time while we're waiting on the women.
Mais c'est pas
Always
Dodge,
thinking
c'est
ahead,
Dodge.
ain't you?
You're looking a bit
Regarde,
tired
tu
there,
marches
Arthur.
quand même.
Why don't you pick up some coffee while we're here?
Full stock list in the catalog here on the counter. Whiskey's on the top shelf, nearest the door.
Alors, tu peux pas louper le
You're
catalogue.
not getting anything, Arthur?
I don't know. Maybe.
Provisions, fortifiants, munitions, chasse et pêche, soins pour cheval, vêtements. Et j'ai 17 € et 20
So,
centimes.
You're actually
Tu me
buying
paies
for
cette fois, tu te
once?
sens pas bien?
You feeling all right?
See this? Young folk
All,
got no respect
all
for
our
their
stock
elders
is
no more.
delivered
What do you reckon?
direct from
Lamb
our
or the sausage?
warehouse located across
Well,
the
this here's a
country.
sheep town. The lamb's the best in the state.
I know what the smell is.
Page
Well, that's a wrap
suivante.
cheese, all right.
Ah, ok, ok. Moi, c'est les vêtements qui vont m'intéresser.
Well done.
Vêtements,
Thank you kindly. Ah, this
ça
should do the trick.
m'intéresse.
Yep, that's fine whiskey.
Tenue,
That
chapeau,
should do it. Let's
chemise.
go wait for them outside.
Ok. Shirts. Oh, 8 $. Ok. Ok. Il n'a pas de t-shirt. Les pantalons, blue jean, pantalon de travail, blue jean d'équitation, pantalon ordinaire. On va éviter d'être ordinaire, hein. Pantalon d'équitation matelassé. Pantalon, tac, pantalon de hanche, tac, tac, tac. Ça devient de plus en plus cher là. Oula. Ok. Bon, je pense que aujourd'hui on est surtout là pour manger, je crois, non? Ok. Fortifiant. Provision. On est surtout là pour manger aujourd'hui. Nourriture en conserve, nourriture fraîche, aliments secs, tabac, alcool. Bon, on va éviter alcool et tabac. Aliments secs, nourriture fraîche, nourriture fraîche. C'est bien pensé, hein. Des pommes. Des pommes. Qu'est-ce qu'on vient acheter aujourd'hui? Des fruits. Il a 17 $. Assortiment de tripes salées. Production de 40 $. C'est une blague? C'est pas possible. C'est pas possible. Ah, ok. 50 cents. Production. Ok, on va prendre des fruits. Restaure légèrement vos noyaux d'énergie et de santé, ou restaure légèrement les noyaux du cheval. On va voir ce qu'il y a après. Poire, morceau de fromage, rose beef, premier choix. Miam miam. Longe de porc tendre. Miam, miam. Ils vont me donner faim. Bœuf salé, venaison. Je sais pas ce que c'est. Assortiment de biscuits, petit pain. Restaure légèrement votre noyau de santé. Café moulu. C'est ce que je suis venue acheter, non? Attends, qu'est-ce que je suis venue acheter? Je sais même plus. Je sais plus. Qu'est-ce que je suis venue acheter? Acheter du café. Ah, ok. Ok, ok. Alors, ok. Comment on fait? Acheter du café, ok. Provision. Nourriture en conserve, nourriture fraîche, aliments secs. Je sais pas, j'étais là-dedans. C'est là que j'ai vu qu'il y avait du café. C'est là que j'ai vu qu'il y avait du café. Café moulu. Acheter.
All the best, fellers.
Retrouvez-vous dehors. Ok. J'aimerais bien vendre des trucs. Je peux vendre quoi? Tout vendre. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Non, je vends rien. Allez. Ah. Non.
Oh, here's to your good health, sir. And to being down here off that mountain.
Absolutely.
It's a funny world, you know. This time in my career, I pictured myself being married to an heiress.
Gentlemen, I think I got something good.
What?
I snuck into this fancy house. Acted like a servant girl. Usually works. Someone was saying her sister was taking a trip from New York or someplace. Train full of rich tourists heading to Saint Denis and then cruising off to Brazil.
Okay.
A train laden with baggage and passing through a bit of deserted country at night as to get to the docks in time for the tides in some place called Scarlet Meadows.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, it's right out near New Hanover. Right, it's real quiet out there.
Sounds good. Where's Tilly and Karen?
I think at the hotel. They were picking up some drunken fellas that they was gonna rob.
Why?
It seemed easy. They have been gone for quite a while.
I guess I'll go see if there's any trouble.
Oh, there's Tilly over there. That does not look ideal.
Excuse me.
Get your hands off me.
Thought I wouldn't find you, Tilly?
You can go kiss a damn snake for all I care. Get off me! Get off of me!
I've been looking too long. I got you now. Get your hands off of her. Who are you?
A friend of mine.
Get the hell off of her, you son of a bitch. Hey, take it easy. There's no problem here.
There will be if you don't get out of here right now.
You're making a big mistake, Tilly Jackson.
Just get lost.
I ain't doing this with you right now.
Go wait with Uncle and Mary Beth. They're across the street.
Okay. Thanks, Arthur.
Mais il est où?
I still hadn't spoken.
Je rêve ou il a disparu?
That's how it is.
Uncle! Look after her. I'm gonna go see about Karen in the hotel.
Fouiller l'hôtel pour trouver Karen. Ah ok. On cherche la...
Can I help you, sir?
Do all I can manage. Are you doing all you can? Huh? Use your...
Sir?
Use your strength to help the weak.
No trouble now, please.
Oh, get the hell out of here, will you?
Sorry, wrong room.
Pas mal. Je m'attendais pas du tout à ça. Mais du coup, ça va être où? Ça va être où? Ah, il a fermé. Mais du coup...
Hey! A friend of hers.
Get out of here, buddy. I paid.
Ain't paid to hit her, you goddamn animal. Wasting my time. What the hell are you doing here?
Trying to play him? Not very well.
You okay?
Fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Nothing to worry about. Just men. But stupid bastard was boasting about the bank.
Bank?
Sure, I know small town banks are usually a waste of time, but this is a livestock town. There's lots of cash sometimes.
Okay. Keep investigating.
I will.
Je sens que si je la suis, on va aller à 2 à l'heure. Je dirais même plus à 1 à l'heure parce que la lenteur est folle. Je tiens à sortir avant elle.
Arthur. I don't much like being saved, but when I have to be.
I understand.
You okay?
Sure. He only punched me. Arthur punched him a lot harder.
All right, then.
Hey, who's that guy over there looking at us?
Weren't you in Blackwater a few weeks back?
Me? No, sir. Ain't from there.
Oh, you were. Well, I definitely saw you with a bunch of fellers.
Me? No. Impossible. Listen, buddy, come here for a minute.
I saw you.
Come here.
Come on, get!
I don't like this. Me neither. Go get the girls home. I'm gonna go have a word with our friend.
Be careful, Arthur.
Just a word. Yeah!
Hey, that's my horse!
Just borrowing it.
You stay away from me!
Get back here right now!
I never thought this would happen to me.
Mais il est où? Mais il est où? Je ne le vois pas! Je ne le vois pas! Comment vous voulez que je joue à un jeu où je vois rien en fait? C'est pas possible, on voit pas! Il y a longtemps je serais morte dans un jeu comme ça là. Allez là, toi aussi. Ok, je le vois bien, il passe par là, mais il a disparu. En fait, tout à l'heure, quand je suis passée de l'autre côté, je l'ai bien vu rentrer par là. Mais là, je ne sais plus où il est. Ah, ok, il est là. D'accord. Ok, ok. Ah, ok, en fait, il faut que je fasse ça. Hein. Bon, moi, je découvre le jeu. Hein. C'est normal que je suis encore complètement... Mais il est où? Viser, questionner... Non, je vais pas tuer.
Why are you telling lies about me?
No, no.
Moi, je vais pas tuer gratuitement dans ce jeu.
I got it very wrong. Now please help me up.
I ain't never been in Blackwater.
Then why are you chasing me?
I've got an unfortunate face.
Yes, yes, me too. Now please pull me up. Please. I'm begging you.
Aider, bien sûr.
All right, come on. You okay, partner?
No. No, I am not.
Ok. Je suis en train de lire le petit truc en haut à gauche là.
Well, you ain't dead.
There is that. Jimmy Brooks.
I think it's best for both of us if we pretend this never happened.
Well, I agree. You saved my life. You're a good man, and here. You want a pen? It's one of them steel ones.
Oui, oui, je veux bien.
Oh. That's very kind of you. But I'm not a good man, Jimmy Brooks. Not usually. You see, I was in Blackwater. I killed people. And maybe I should have killed you. Should I have killed you, Jimmy Brooks?
Me? I never saw you. Not now, not never. I think we have an understanding.
Of course we do. Jimmy Brooks. I will remember that. I've got a good memory.
I haven't. Not one lick. Not 1 cent in this here old mind.
Non mais c'est le mec qui change le plus rapidement de...
Come on. You have a nice day now, sir. Yep.
Bon. L'épisode 4 est terminé. On va passer tout de suite. On va passer à l'épisode 5. Voilà, tout simplement.